Do you also want to create form formats like this in Excel? It's easier than you think. Let me show you how. First, click on the cell and type the date. Then, press Ctrl plus Enter and followed by Ctrl plus 1. Click on Custom and type at the rate, followed by an asterisk and dot. Then press OK. Now a dotted line has been created. Now go to the next cell, type the sign, press Enter, and then press Ctrl plus 1. Click on Custom and type at the rate, followed by an asterisk and an underscore. Then press OK. Now a signature line has been created. Go to the next cell, type Page 1, and press Ctrl plus Enter. After that, press Ctrl plus 1, go to Custom, and type at the rate, followed by an asterisk and a hyphen. Then press OK. Now you can see that the form formats have been created, and you can adjust them easily. Like and follow for daily tips and tricks.